Hello and welcome. Please turn on your sound if you are able to do so. Open the local chat box to follow along. There will be time for questions at the end of the presentation. I'm here to talk about how wikis can benefit archivists using examples from Archivopedia. Archivopedia is in the beta stage and emphasis is on technological implementations at this time. Archivopedia uses MediaWiki free and open source software. It is highly extensible and, using some creativity and technical skills, allows archivists alternatives to expensive cataloging, CMS, and DAM. Here is an example in Archivopedia of a digital collections gallery, typically handled by a CMS or DAM. Archivopedia is working on adding a feature that enables users to create personalized online collections, output EAD finding aids and other wiki pages as PDF files, as well as the opportunity to obtain the wiki in print format. Wikipedia has plans to do this in the future. Archivists can create, publish, and update international subject-based finding guides as part of the Archivopedia Collections Link project. This example for biology contains the names of collections, links to biographies relating to the collection, and the collection's online finding guide. Encoded archival description is a method for standardizing and adding metadata to archival finding aids. This is the first example, incorporating an EAD finding aid template in a wiki. The EAD is searchable using Archivopedia's search box. RSS, or really simple syndication, is a method for distributing news and other information. These are the first transmissions of EAD finding aids via RSS. As you can see, the EAD is completely searchable using Blogline Search Tool. Below is the Wiki RSS Reader. This is an extension which allows MediaWiki to read and update live RSS feeds. As you can see, it's possible to have live feeds for EAD finding aids, grouped by subject or collections, updated automatically via RSS and displayed in the wiki. In a traditional archival setting, it is difficult to integrate proprietary cataloging systems with a CMS or DAM. Some libraries are experimenting with interfaces like Joomla or Drupal overlaid upon their proprietary cataloging database software. Using a wiki as a cataloging system eliminates the need for proprietary cataloging systems and allows easy and free integration of digital surrogates and digital objects. A CSS can be applied to the MARC XML record to change the way the record displays. Book covers can be used to aid researchers in identifying the correct items. User interaction with the catalog has become a popular option in Library 2.0. In Archivopedia, the bottom of the catalog record page has options for users to write a book review and to add folksonomy tags about each book. In addition, patrons can do a variety of traditional catalog interactions like read a review, perform a Google book search, locate a print copy, purchase the book through an online bookseller, and cite the item. The Archivopedia Wiki includes search boxes for the wiki as well as WorldCat, and a customized archival search engine called EAD Central. With the search engine, online resources are placed in groups, such as finding aids, manuscripts, and photographs, digitized items, to enable refinement of the search query with a simple click of the mouse. Most wikis focus on developing encyclopedia-like articles on both people and terms. Archivopedia's articles, at a reasonable stage of completion, can be made accessible to low-vision researchers. Talker is a service which enables users to have articles read to them aloud. Talker also distributes articles through their website to their constituents who have low vision. Images that are copyrighted can be uploaded to Archivopedia, provided that Archivopedia is given permission to reproduce the images from the holding repository and credits are used. Several indices, like this one for archival, LIS, and public history, are located on the main page of the wiki. Help researchers and future professionals find and understand professional terminology and practices. There are many allied groups, institutions, and conferences of which professionals should be aware and to which they have easy access. Archivopedia attempts to centralize basic information about them in one location. With Archivopedia, archivists can create their institutional homepage, add photos and descriptions of collections, include a history of their archives, and generate links to their website. Their finding aids and digital collections can also be added to the EAD central search engine. Creative archivists can devise their own projects, like this transcription project, which wiki users can join and participate in. The British Library has a similar project on their library wiki. Some projects in their infancy include journal article reviews, historical summaries of the development of individual archives, and an archival timeline based on article content. It is important to say that just because wikis use the same software package does not mean that they are the same. Archivopedia strives to provide professional peer reviewing by credentialed professionals to every article. Archivopedia management takes a hands-on approach and actively enforces policies. Archivopedia encourages users to write about themselves, their institutions, especially in areas where they have gained substantial experience or expertise. Archivopedia also encourages the use of digitized and published archival material as quoted sources when writing articles. In addition to its differences with Wikipedia, Archivopedia is unique among other archives wikis. By examining the main page, the fundamental structure of Archivopedia can be understood, just like a website's homepage. The main page also includes featured articles and a chat room for Archivopedia wiki editors and researchers. All chats are logged through Meebo. While in the beta stage, Archivopedia's focus has been on technology R&D. There are several other features being developed that have not yet been announced relating to the integration of the Archivopedia Wiki and other Web 2.0 sites like Second Life. More information on this will become available in the future. In the meantime, anyone is free to start contributing content to the project while it is being developed. There are two main avenues for participation. Readers may leave comments, write book reviews, bookmark pages, and add folksonomy tags. Editors may write articles. This process requires registering as a site user and agreeing to the terms of participation, which include the following rules, and exhibiting the utmost professionalism and courtesy towards fellow editors, who in many cases will be your professional peers. Learning how to edit does not require much of a learning curve. Most of the basic tools are similar to those of Microsoft Word, such as bold and italic. Some features are more advanced, but the cheat sheet provided explains many of them in a step-by-step fashion with examples. Thank you for attending. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I look forward to seeing many more editors join Archivopedia in the future.